Hello, I'm going to demonstrate the 3 steps of give feedback. Giving more feedback translates directly into more learning. The first step is to anticipate likely student mistakes. I can do this by answering questions from my lesson before class. Here is my example question. Mukisa has 187 cows and 49 goats. His friend Joan exchanges him 13 of her donkeys for 37 of his cows. How many animals does Mukisa have altogether? I know that my answer is 187 plus 49 plus 13 minus 37, which gives me 212 animals. Therefore, Mukisa has 212 animals altogether. Now I ask myself, what are the most likely mistakes students will make on this question and why? One likely mistake is that students who don't read carefully just add all the numbers together. They would write 187 plus 49 plus 13 plus 37, getting 286 animals. And therefore, if I see the answer 286, the student may have just added all the numbers together. A second mistake is that students subtract 13 and add 37 because they mix up what Joan and Mukisa give each other. They would therefore write 187 plus 49 minus 13 plus 37, getting 260 animals. And therefore, if I see the answer 260, the student may have mixed up the numbers to add and subtract. A third mistake is that students have the right numbers, but fail to arrange them according to their place values while they add and subtract. And therefore, they would write 187 at that time properly arranged, plus 49 wrongly arranged, plus 13 wrongly arranged, minus 37 not in their place values, getting 437 animals. A fourth mistake is that students have the right numbers but just make a mistake on their addition and subtraction. Thinking through the mistakes students may make will help me when I'm looking at students' work in class. In a moment, I'm going to show you step 2 and 3 in my classroom. Step 2 is to look or listen to student answers in class. And step 3 is to provide feedback using a positive tone and language. You'll see me giving praise, clarifying, identifying mistakes, and prompting my learners in class.